Senka automatic feeding, glass cutting, labeling and film removing machine, all in one display video. Machine body move freely and rotate 360 degrees. Self-locking device positioning. Optional accessories. Breaking table. After cutting, it is sent to the breaking table for glass breaking. Highly intelligent cutting machine. Optimization software. Automatic feeding arm loading, saving manpower. Automatic edge patrol positioning, without manual correction. The cutting head rotates 360 degrees, which can cut various special shaped glass. Optional accessories. Machine head labeling function, high speed and high stability. Optional accessories. Conveyor belt. Easy to complete glass transmission, and improve production efficiency. Optional accessories. Film removing head. For low-E glass, painted glass film removing and cutting can be completed in short time. Application industry.